do, everybody? Good morning. For the longest time, I've been waiting to come out and welcome up on my channel. Everybody knows I like to do everything in real time, so do it as if we just sat down together for the first time, because we really did for today. Okay, let me send this link to somebody. They were looking for me this morning, so bear with me. We're not anxious to jump in any trades right now because the leading gapper is like 70% currently. So I'm assuming there hasn't been any real significant news out there reported. So, bear with me. We're not anxious to jump in any trades right now because the leading gapper is like 70% currently. So I'm assuming there hasn't been any real significant news out there reported. All right. Now, let's see what we have on the watch list. Thank you. So we got PRSO. PRSO, they running. Let's see where they at, though. We don't like to just blindly jump in. So, guys, as you all know, I want to make sure everybody knows this every day. We want to see what is moving based on being in the top percentile of stocks leading the market. This right here is the leading gapper, 82%. You guys know I look for stocks that are trying to break pre-market highs. The orange is the pre-market, so that's between 3 a.m. to 8:29 Central Standard Time. We need a low float, so they got 4 million shares that they have outstanding. They have traded 109 million shares. News, Mobix Lab enhances acquisition offer for Pereso with new cash and stock deal. Okay, so somebody's trying to acquire them. Let me just put that up there so we have some content about where it is. Potential acquisition. I literally just made it back from taking my son to school this morning by Mobix Labs. So we'll see if that information is worthy of making this run. This just went literally from 90% to 60-something%, so that's not a good sign at all. Let's see what else is leading. VEE. They don't have any news, but they are the second leading gainer for the day. And they are selling off as well at the open, below pre-market highs as well. Any news? Let's see. None whatsoever. Have 1.91 million shares outstanding. They've traded 45 million thus far, that is. Yes. PAPL, Pineapple Financial. That sounds funny, but they are running. It ain't all jokes and games over there, I see. Don't look like they got no news either. And it don't give me the float. Let's see. So they got 6.6, 1 million shares outstanding. Okay, and they traded 5 million already, so that's a good thing, but they don't have news, people. So 2 days ago they announced $100 million digital asset strategy, so similar to purchasing some type of cryptocurrency. I guess that is a continuation of a run from a day ago or something. We'll see. Anybody else out there? Who did we add? Pete. Oh, we didn't add them. There they go. It's like I'm not just added 3. There you go. Papel. They're running. Our HOUR. Our Loop Inc. elects directors and ratifies auditors. So I guess they're doing an executive shuffle. Shaking up the house, as you call it. So, let's see what that does. And I put up here, exec shuffle. Shuffling up the mix. V no news, put that up here so we know not to keep looking. Papel digital asset strategy. But this is 2 days ago. Put 2 days, reported 2 days ago. Okay. So now we got some idea of what is going on with certain stocks. All right. Looks like they may be halted. Pineapple, let's see. No, they're open. Just aren't moving. Let me go to the NASDAQ site. I'll do that with you guys. You can see what's going on. Let's pull up the NASDAQ site. Confirm if they have halted. They have halted, so we were correct. It's just not showing on the platform, but they are halted as we expected. So let's do a little digging. Since we got time, let's look at market structure, especially on that Pineapple Financial. So market structure, I'll tell you guys, is basically we're looking to see where could price go. We already see here a previous resistance at about $8.70 Got one there. We got another one. Look like they had a crazy. Found support at 21. Ceiling at 40. Another ceiling at about 28. Yeah, this thing is all over the place. Got about this $4. So let's see if this is one of those scenarios that they try to push through this $8 or something. Drink some of this down. people. Put an alert up here if this breaks over this 160 at all. We're not going to set any stop orders since everything is selling off in the opening of the session. We'll just see if price breaks over any of these pre-market highs, then alert us, let us know that you're making some move. If it doesn't, we will continue looking for a mover. Pineapple is back open, and I need to sign in. Oh my gosh, still haven't signed in. It's unfortunate. Do that in the background. All right, pineapple. See you guys sold off from that high, 671 so far. Let me see if they make efforts and attempts to get back up there. Look at it on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, look like they're gonna sell off. The volume is the largest on the sales side, but it looks as if they may be making an attempt to do something. Volume is increasing as well on the buy side, almost matching the sell volume. It looks like they are about to do it. They still got, let's see, can they break through? Y'all gonna go parabolic again for us? What y'all want to do? See what my average is literally at $7 on the head. See, can they break through this resistance? Yep, they did for a brief second though. Volume is higher volume as well, so this might go halt again. And that it didn't halt. See what they do here at the 750. Do you extend this or do you try to pull back here? Did it halt again? And no, it didn't, but might be halted. So that might be a good thing. Yep, it did halt. So we are in a halt. So we caught this move. It popped at 748. So hopefully when it resumes, it's up here at this 850 something. I would have taken a good position size, but don't really trust 2-day-old news like that. But that will resume at some point in time. Just hope the resumption is all the way up at like $9 somewhere. But we saw like how the volume just spiked well above the sell volume. At the time, the sell volume was the largest volume bar. And then they almost matched it. I'm looking at these little bars under here. And they almost matched it. And then they went higher again on the next bar. So at that point, price just shot up. We'll see if they shoot up here somewhere. When this resumes, we're definitely closing this position. Just hope we resume at like $9 or something crazy. Wait for that to take place. VEE is crossed. See, that's why you put those alerts in. Let's see what you do, VEE. You're not going to take any crazy sizes today. Damn. Look at that. Damn, just missed the fucker. Gosh damn it. And volume is crazy still. Volume's still increasing, so we'll give it a chance at this 339. See what happens. They can keep it up there when they try to go parabolic. 340, what y'all gonna do? Can y'all hold up? And they said that it's suspended on Pineapple. It ain't even halted, it's suspended. So we'll see what the hell's going on there. Skag is halted as well. This is another one. It's like somebody this morning got a bag. They out here playing with the paper. This is halted. What's their news? So we had a exec shuffle where they changed up like their auditors or something like that. But this was like a week ago. But that's the most news that was reported recently on this company. So we'll see. VEE, I'm going to have to let this one go because volume looks as if it might be trying to die down. And we're waiting for Pineapple to get back into motion. I've been dropping these gummy bears everywhere this morning. So we're just entertaining ourselves playing with this one until Pineapple resumes. We've been watching Skag when that resumes as well. Somebody woke up this morning like, I'm finna buy some shit. I'm finna buy some shit. Let's see y'all can get out these wicks. I'm about to close this one. Get up there one more time so I can close, break even. If y'all don't do shit this time, yeah, I'll take a 50-cent loss. We're watching these wicks develop. It's not giving me confidence that it wants to continue resuming currently. But every time it gets up here, they short it aggressively with somebody on this side buying. So that's a good thing. As soon as they get the opportunity, they're going to short the shit out of this. And that's something that we ain't trying to get caught up in. So we'll cut our losses early. I need Pineapple to get back in play. Get over 100%. Look at him. Fucker. Anyway. Our play right now. Oh shit. Pineapple's open. Get over there. What are you doing? And then it looks as if they're about to try to sell off. Let's see, can we get that resumption back moving? Back in our favor. Like we originally had with Pineapple. There we go. There we go again. We're back going. Can y'all hit that 8? Where do y'all want to go? Come on, people. Break it out. Break it all down for us. Alright, closing this. I'm gonna close that there. But we are about to watch it. I got out because it's so overbought. It's so highly extended. One parabolic move could go to the up or downside. It's currently in favor of going up, but we don't want to test it. We're gonna take what we could. Got our twos infused and move around. Maybe next week I'll get back into making 200-300 share positions for you guys. But this week, With it being the end of the week, we're not going to do it. Being a little bit more reserved right now. Especially on 2-day news, 2-day-old news. Skag. They resumed. And they don't have any news. And we don't know where they want to go either. Let's do that. 22, that's a crazy jump from 6 to 22. So here we go. It's more realistic. $8, $9. That's my name. It's 4 is a support, so I could pull all the way back down to 4 at some point throughout the day. They are just attempting to break pre-market levels. 617. Damn, look at pineapple. Look at you go. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Trying to hit that target. Can't make that stuff up, people. This is why you watch me. Man, I twos and fuses and moving around. Happy for everybody else, though. They're still in. Yep. I was happy for y'all at first. And I'm like, y'all need to get out. It's getting real volatile up here, people. It's getting real volatile. V went up, sold off. And we got out, and look at that. Literally. That's why we got out. It's like you don't need to be proved if you're right or wrong. Just follow your instincts and get in and out of something. The last thing you want is for the market to tell you if a position is in your favor or not. Take what you can, move around. Is there anything else on the radar is the question currently. ISPC. Oh, they said they had a $200 million digital asset strategy to buy Solana, the crypto. So I might see a move sometime if they haven't already made one. See what happens with you guys. Guess this was the move. Now they're pulling back. Where is that? You guys want to say? So they sold off from $1.27. Damn, pineapple. Fucker. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Hit the target on the fucking money. Can't make this shit up, people. Now I can expect it to pull back at 100%. Whew. I am jealous of you guys out there that's making that good money. I'll take my little $20 and about 40 shares. Like a 50% run. We watched it run from. You see how when they hit those, their resistance is pulling back. It's crazy, right? Could break through, could show you at 100%. This thing could run 200%. Where is it above that? Shit. Let's find something. We got $8 already. We need something else to see. Could go to 14 or it's $9, but we'll do 14, do 12. We need something realistic. See where price could go if it continues breaking through. And you see where everywhere I look with these levels I'm putting, price is actually sitting on those levels. That's why I'm actually putting these levels, because it's important. Can't make this stuff up. Hit it on the money. Punched it dead in the nose and got back in the car. They still ain't broke their pre-market highs. They attempted, still ain't do it. They attempted, still ain't do it. They still ain't even tried. But as well, if you look at the MACD is red, so they're gonna have a sell-off. Their MACD is red, they're gonna have a sell-off. MACD could be potentially getting ready to go red, could have a sell-off. They just bounced off the 50 EMA, went red, bounced off of it. So this could be a potential play to watch. So we'll set a alert just above crossing 591. Price goes back up 40 cents. We'll set that. They are back retesting the $8 level. But this will have to eventually come back down to this 50 EMA at some point. So we don't know when though. Volume is still frothy. Still a lot of momentum going on. As you can see how all these bars in the histogram are elevated. So there's still a lot of buying going on. We want to see one of these volume bars go higher than these previous volume bars. In the green closing bar though, not a red. If it goes higher and it's red, yeah, the bears are stepping in. They're coming up the bat, and they're coming up with the cleanup hitter. Fourth man on deck, coming to clean some shit up. Get some straightening out, as they say. But because this is the closest one to having 100%, this might be the big runner for the day. And we'll see though. Just give it time. So they are retreating currently. Volume is falling. Getting consecutive red candles as well. So we will see how this plays out for them. They keep trying to test the $8, but they can't get through this resistance level. We want to see a close above this line up here. 860, 854. Let this chart pattern form. this little flag occurring right now. See if we get some type of continuation with another leg up on this move. Looks like we are about to attempt to, but we will let the market decide that. We won't decide it for them. Here is my ashtray. Several ashtrays in front of me, but the one that I'm looking for is not around. Take you. See how long can they hold above this $8 range? So you can price settle here for a second before we jump in. Don't look like it. See, can they break out of this box, either up or down? We're attempting to push back up. Said this exact news could be real, but this MACD is red, so I'm concerned. On a 15-minute level. What were we looking at when we said that it turned around? Was there something else? Trying to see where that MACD went red and then went green. I was SCAG. That's what we're looking at. So they got the same news. That's what we're getting confused at. So SCAG and hour. Hour is second. So let's see that. Put this up here so I can see this as well. Watching this has Trump family involvement, this ABTC. So that's why I'm watching this. Fell from $14 to $6. So see if we get a dead cat bounce and push back up to maybe $8 or $9, something like that. I'm going to watch this potentially be a runner eventually at some point. Don't know when though. KWM can do something. Is my battery dead on my damn keyboard? Now you want to do something. You're delayed ass on. Hour crossed. Put you up here in the mix as well. Where'd the hour go? Hour touched pre-market levels. Look at that. The amount of volume is crazy. 15 minutes, but can it sustain these levels? Pineapple has did a U-turn. They broke out of the box. Like I said, watch that box. KWM, they got like a $28 million fund that they just got approved to manage. Shit. quickly shot up to be the leading move for the day, 98%. They are still running, but they are so overextended. It's 9:07. They still got 7 minutes for this candle to close. So, tell you, this is like watching the Kentucky Derby, watching the horse in the rear attempt to take over the leaders. That would have been a nice pop, watching it bounce off of this 50 EMA from 279 to 380 something at some point. Dollar a share. You can't predict these things. Remove these from yesterday. Just taking up space today. Don't need you guys here. We're still running. Let's try to buy about 10 of them or something. See what it looks like on a 1 minute volume. Volume is getting lighter, so we will wait till we get some sign that volume is returned. It's going to stay red or it's going to stay green or go red is the question here. Looks like it wants to go red. Let's get out. Volume is picked up to the downside. It's going to retest this pre-market high. They're retesting pre-market highs, like I said. Pineapple still selling off. They bounced off pre-market highs. See, can they continue, but volume is a little light. So we are weary of that. These little bars down here. As soon as I said that, they was like, "What volume? What is a little what? What? Watch your mouth." My bad, damn. I apologize. Shit, show me some. Show me some, gangster. You can do it. I need to know where it wants to go so I can see the risk involved. Risk to reward. As soon as I said something, they said, "Shut up." Hit me dead on my lip. Can't make this up. 416, so 436. Not that much more of a reward. Attempting to hit a target. Hit it again back there, 436. Shot to 5, but back here. Shot up to 8 back here. I said, "Watch your mouth, little boy." Bow! Then the MACD went green on us. 123%. Watch them go from 80 to 120, so. Volume said, "You say what?" Take that, take that. PRSOs. They are now number 2. Pineapple selling off. They hit the target. They hit the target. My daughter is woke. Enter Madison into the scene. Crazy how perfect my damn resistance areas be. Somebody need to call me and give me a contract somewhere, sign me, put me on board, put me on payroll, let me manage a $100 million account somewhere for you. Somebody, anybody, call me, reach out to me.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning, look, give me a kiss. So I asked for a kiss and she go back upstairs. She went to go get some shoes. This is my daughter.
Good morning, Dad.
Come give me a hug, baby. Good morning. That's the dream. If I can do this every day with a couple $100,000 in an account and make a couple thousand every day with my family in the house, that would be love. That's the goal. That's the dream. And that's my one wish, to trade every day from home. Change everybody's life around me while educating others at the same time. Bringing value to everyone. Come on. This might be a run. Let's see. I might have been tricked here. Let them tell us. Can you stay above 430? Can you break out? Finger on the trigger. Can they reclaim the 430s? Yep. There's real resistance here right now. Close that gets crazy. Let's get out of that before they go crazy against us, because we don't need to let them prove to us if we were right or wrong at this point. We're still on the money. They want to pull back at them. They want to calm down a bit and then resume. Let them. We just want to be in a party. Oh, we were correct to get out. See what pineapple's doing. It's curling, but still red on the 1 minute MACD. Hours below $4 at this point. KWM, they are going. There's their pre-market levels at. They've been broke pre-market. They're still running. They're still running. Good. Look at them. What is volume doing? It's hit the largest volume stick. Can they continue that run though. Let's only get 10. See what happens. Can they hold us $3? They just went green on the MACD as well. Volume is increasing. Get more. Oh shit. Don't make that a red candlestick, y'all. They did. Don't make the largest volume bar red. Not when I just got in. Fuckers. Then they want to play with me. But that sale is real. That sell-off is real. These wicks. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Come on, I'm at 309. Let's try it again, guys. They can't get to them wicks. Y'all get us there with aggression. Get us there, people. Let's see where it could go. Oh. When it get to the stand EMA, 321. That's where you guys want to go. 321. 381. 343. 339. Three minutes remaining for this 15-minute candlestick. Volume may be slowing up a little bit. Hurry up, get off, so I can get my finger back on the trigger. Mm-hmm. Guess they said that's close enough. Yeah, they're not gonna get us there. Nope, nope, nope. Let's see if it bounce off this EMA. MACD just went red, so they tried. They tried. Couldn't do it. I'll make this $6 back. But either way. This is what? Forget why I set this here originally. Because it's literally bouncing off of it. Yeah, I was retesting this again. They just broke as soon as I bought. Punk ass. Literally when I bought, they popped through for a brief ass second. They chump ass. Fuck. As soon as I bought, fake out. The pussy asses. So fucking ratchet. The volume on the sales side though. As soon as I bought, they did that. Some hoes for that one. As soon as I saw it, bought it, they faked out. That's how. Oh, that was horrendous. Fake out was real. Thought that was gonna keep it moving. I say no, gotta be quicker. It's okay. It's still green for the day. Either way it goes. Pineapple is back moving. They still can't break over this fucking bar. Why did I set it there? I don't recall, but when I watch the video, I will recall what that was about. Or was it just because it was the $7? I don't know. It's at the top of a wick back then. I believe it's probably the top of this wick, maybe. Look at Hour. Boy, y'all bitches keep playing. Y'all keep playing. Y'all keep playing with my motherfucking emotions and my money. And they keep shorting it every time. But at some point, it's going to keep it moving. So we ain't worrying about it. At some point in time, they're going to keep it moving. I need to transfer over these other funds from this other account. Can y'all get to that 566 is the question. I break 5. They're 150% for an hour. Close that. See in this 15 minutes what they're doing. Actually, I'm not even gonna add any extra funds from my other account. So that's what I did. I just took a lot of my proceeds and moved them over so I don't reuse funds. So I can stay at a cap of amount of funds to remove risk. Just use all my profits at this point. Keep my money to the side and use their money to make a trade. But with that being said, we are going to conclude trading today. We aren't going to make this a very long stream this morning. I got some stuff I need to catch up on and do around the house. Took my son to school this morning, so it was a lot of things that I didn't get a chance to take care of once I got home. They're about to go for that $5. Like, what really is the thing with a camera pulls out, first thing a woman does is twerk. You gotta show that ass, baby. Like, your ass is something different from another piece of ass out here. After a while, that type of shit gets annoying. Every damn time you look up, it's the first thing they go to. Show me something. I get it. You trying to be provocative and all this other shit, but that really ain't it. I want to see where hour goes for us, where it ends up. As it hit this 566 before I conclude the stream this morning. This was a nasty move. I know it's the largest bar on volume, 3.5 million. Then they brought it back with 3.3 million. So whoever shorted that 3.5 million closed that position and it shot back up. Crazy as fuck. See if there's anything else on the radar before I let you guys go. MSRP, MSPR, no news, implements reverse stock split, but they are moving. $553,000 shares available, sold 1.94 million. So they were going from volumes of only 100 shares at one point, 100, 895, 100, 100, 680. Yeah, the market opened and they went 45,000, 11,000, 100 shares, 87,000, 1.76 million. So who all of a sudden just said, fuck it, let's go crazy? Now, these were 15-minute candles, so for 15 minutes, only 100 shares are bought at a time. Then all of a sudden, they turned it up 1.8 million. It's crazy. Crazy. Hours going, trying to get that $5. I didn't even have $4 available. Y'all gonna make me move some money over. I'm gonna have about 4 or 5 grand available to trade in this account, but I moved it all. Only kept like 900 over here just to trade with, and now I'm feeling it. So I could have been buying 600-700 shares per trade. Could have been up 7 times the amount. That'd be about 140, 150. But when you're taking your foot off the gas for a minute, it's one of those scenarios of you haven't seen any real news hit the market this week at all that was worthy of this 100% rally. It's like everything, second leading gapper is only up 67% right now. Literally less than half of what the leading gapper is. Typically you'll have 3 to 5 100% runners all at the same time. But there hasn't been any news this week. We've been seeing information about unemployment going up, unemployed numbers surpassing the available jobs on the market and stuff like that. So all that rhetoric is making the market risk off type of sentiment eventually. So you're getting these last pops and a lot of stocks that people are pushing up just so that they can eventually take their profits. Come Monday, mark my words, you're going to see a sell-off. It might be massive as well. If not today. Nasdaq's on down 45 points. Where did it come from? Let's see the Qs. They haven't sold off significantly yet. So if I was a betting man, I would bet, even by the end of today, that we'll have a 1% sell-off in the NASDAQ, but Monday, you may see a 2% sell-off. Don't quote me. This is not investment advice. Wink, wink. Trading is risky. This is not investment advice, guys. Followers that I'm getting. I appreciate everyone. Each and every one of you guys. I literally appreciate you all. But yeah. I am Baker. Thank you guys for taking your time out today. Getting involved for individuals that's been texting me. Everybody that's been on stream with me for a brief moment in time. Thank you. I hope you guys learned some things. Hope you guys found value in this, and just as well just saw the potential of actually being a earner through good entry points, closing out positions early. Don't hold the loser. You lose, get out, and get back in, make some of it back. Typically, when I'm trading throughout the week, when I'm not online, I'll really only take 2 to 3 trades in a day, because then I will take more risk exposed positions so that they can be impactful. I won't try to take about 5 to 6 trades just for the visual content. You know, you watch my recaps, you see the profits that I make. It differs just because at that point you'll see the position size. I'll have 600-700 shares at that position. Vitabar, I am in Chicago. I thank you. If I'm saying your name right, Vitabar. Appreciate you, man. I definitely appreciate, gaining new relationships, new experiences out here in the future with some of you guys. And we link offline, or, just even talk, whether it be in person or online, because I do look to find my group of individuals that are interested in trading, such as myself. Where, bro? Chicago, Illinois. I'm in Chicago, Illinois, in the United States of America. I appreciate you. Where are you? I definitely love, just being India. My boy. I love it. All the way from India. Salute, man. But as I was saying, I love the extension of arms that I'm receiving from everybody from different platforms, from different walks of life, from different sides of the world, just taking your time out as well, just to tune in, because to me that means a lot. Never would have thought that I would actually be able to, you know, present something that would build some type of opportunity to, get introduced to people that I never would, come across, because we are from different walks of life. And as well, I'm an introverted person. I don't really do that much um, outside exposure. I look forward to getting feedback to things that you guys would love to see, hear, and do, but as well, I'm still learning. I'm new to this thing. Um, I'm a people's person. I typically wouldn't say that in real life, but I have become fond of talking in front of strangers just because it gives me accountability with my trades. It gives me some accountability just in my content and my knowledge as well, because by presenting myself in front of you guys, I have a mission to make the day valuable for both of us. It's a learning experience for both of us. Certain things that I become naive about: when you know better, you do better. But in some instances, you know better and you still do. When I'm in front of you guys, I have to keep that accountability of not doing certain things. If I know it is something that isn't looking right, don't do it. If a position is looking a little frothy, get out of it. We'll see here what this NASDAQ could do. This NASDAQ could drop back down to 569 on this Qs. It's only at 24 on the RSI. The data was horrendous. It could keep pulling back. This could be one of those days where it just sells off for the rest of the day. This 50 EMA is at 572, so once it breaks through that, the sell-off could intensify. Let's look at our hour. I already broke to that $5 mark. They're still trying to get to this 567. So I'm still watching that in the background. I said I want to see where it goes. It's literally almost up there, so it might hit our target. These targets are real targets. Whether you've seen me put them there or not, you know that price has memory. We can just put an actual uptrend on this line. It's actually breaking below this line, so it may retest this uptrend, and that may be the end of this move. That's what you look at. Price can actually touch this line and find resistance at both the green and the black line. Don't know when, but at some point in time it could retest this uptrend and sell off. You look at that as being confluence, where two things or multiple things line up together. It could happen this trade, this position where we're watching. Then you see as well, this MACD has been green for so long. At some point in time, profit is going to start to be taken. I don't have a magic 8-ball or anything like that, but I am 39. Never been asked that. I am 39. On the cusp of being 40. So I got another year. But that's my retirement goal. By the age of 40, I will retire from all works of life, not walks, works of life. And I will trade strictly from home. From a yacht, maybe. Lakeside or something, who knows. That's my goal next year, to get out of all employment and become self-employed and be a active day trader every day, trading in front of you guys, as well in my privacy, because some positions I won't want televised or publicly exposed, because those positions may be too frothy just to show like, yeah, he's just made 75,000 today. Like, yeah, we need to call him because we need a favor. Like, some things you keep to yourself. But yeah, it looks like it's attempting now because it broke off of this uptrend. It's now selling off. And the MACD went red. I just said it needs to go red at some point, and this is the moment. But this is why I drew that uptrend, because I saw it falling off of this uptrend. Thank you, Vitabar. I appreciate you, man. Subscribe, please. I appreciate it. Just to get future notifications. I stream every Friday. I trade live every Friday. And every day I'll do like a small brief recap of my trades that I did at work. So if you look at any of my previous views, my content, you'll see there'll be like screen recordings of the trades that I made from my phone while I was at work. And then I got home and did some type of explaining of what I look for when I trade. Pineapple was taking back off. So they finally broke over this bar. Could try to retest this box. Pull this out further. See if they jump back in here. See what that does. The hour, we see they couldn't get up to that 560 area, but they got as close as they could. 538, 539. If we're pulling back, we need at least another runner to get back to 100% for the day. And it might be Pineapple going back again, retesting previous levels. Let's check one last time if there's anything new on the radar, and there isn't. Look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them. Can't make this stuff up. Hope you're finding value in this video, in this stream, Vitabar, as well as my people out there in Kick, Twitch, Trovo. I'm still waiting to get my credentials from TikTok so that I can stream on there as well. But with that being said, you can find me everywhere, bakerdeshun. You can look up my music on Tidal, Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube, everywhere. Just put in bakerdeshun and something's going to come up. Let's see this run here if they can. They just went back green, trying to get back in this box. See? They get back in this box, they're going to trade in this range, but they have to wait for this EMA to catch up. But with that being said, I am bakerdeshun. Trading is risky. This is not investment advice. And I thank you guys for your time today. So with that being said, music is now playing. It's like when you're at like the club or a party and the DJ starts playing music, letting you know this is the last call for drinks at the bar. You start turning the lights on in the club and you know the label start releasing everybody. The party is still on. We're just gonna move to another venue. Thank you guys for your time. It's been about an hour, so it's 10 o'clock. Trading for an hour and 30 minutes. You guys stay with me all this time. I thank you. I will talk to you guys. Get back in tune with you guys. Maybe